Hello everyone, welcome to the next part of this series, SQL Server High Availability. So, in the previous videos, we talk about the diagram, talk about the Terraform script, and we also executed one by one these steps till fifth point. Now, in this video, we will start from sixth. Here, when we create the SQL Server VMs, by default, all SQL Server VMs use the Windows authentication mode. We will switch them to SQL authentication mode, and as well as we will enable the SAA user. Let's quickly jump to our Azure Cloud, open the primary resource group, click on the first application VM, click connect. Okay, so we have opened our application VM. Till the time it's completely starting up, we will open our another VM, SQL VM primary, same, use the public IP. Now, till the time second server is opening up, move to the another resource group, click on SQL VM secondary, connect, copy. Okay, so now moving to the application VM, just click on local server. This is the application VM. First, open the SQL server. Till the time it's loading the SQL VM, move to this SQL VM primary, click on local server. It is SQL VM primary. Open the same SSMS. Till the time it's loading, move to the next VM. It is SQL VM secondary. Same. Open the SSMS. So we will do the same step in all three servers, one by one. Okay, so we open the open the SSMS first on Windows authentication mode. Just right click on properties, click on security. Here you can change the SQL Server and Windows authentication mode. Click OK. It is asking that it will only affect when we will restart the SQL services. We will do that later. Open the security, login, SA, right click, properties, change the password so that you can remember. Click on status, enabled it, click OK. Finally, Open the configuration manager, click on SQL Server Services and restart it. And the same steps we will perform for other two VMs, SQL VM primary and SQL VM secondary. Just disconnect it and verify by connecting the SQL authentication mode. Username would be SA. Yep, it's working. So all three are done. Now verify these steps. Now we'll start our seventh step. In seventh step, we will update the default DNS server setting in all three VMs. Quickly, first go into the application VM, open the command prompt, check ipconfig/all. You will find the DNS server is the default set by the Azure. We have to renew it. We have already set the virtual network DNS server to our local AD private IP in the previous step. So this time we just need to flush the IP configurations. We can easily do that by ipconfig/renew. It will reset the DNS server for this VM. You can check. As you can see, now the DNS server is our private IP. Same step you need to perform quickly in all other two VMs. Alright, so seventh step is done. Now moving to the eighth step. So we will shift our VMs to the domain. Open first VM. Open the server manager. You can see currently its work group is work group. You just click it, change, click on domain. Our domain name is sqlag.local. Click OK. Now you will use your default user you created. It's done. It's asking to restart. So do it. So hope it has been restarted. So this time, instead of using the local user, we will choose our domain user to open this VM. Yep, as you can see, it started with that user. So our all three VM are up and shifted to the domain. Click on local server. As you can see, work group is changed to a domain sqlag.local. Same with all three servers. So our eighth step is also done. Now, in this video, we have covered 6, 7, and 8 step. In the next video, we will start from 9th step. Thank you so much.